my channel. If you are new here, I am Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle. So if you like that kind of stuff, go ahead, take the time and subscribe. I promise you'll like it here. Yeah, let's this is your cue to subscribe right now. Like, I wasn't joking. In today's video, we're going to be getting into some lashes. I'm going to be going over my favorite lashes that I get on Amazon. I have a few different pairs, different styles for different occasions. So we're going to have a everyday lash, work friendly, you know, just everyday natural lash. We have something that's a little bit in the middle where you don't want to do too much, but you definitely want to do enough. And we, of course, have a glam lash. So when you want to go all out, you want to bring the drama, you know, I have every single style covered for you, and these are ones that I stand by on any given day. I do have a pair that I purchased recently that I haven't tried yet, so we're going to go ahead and try that on the camera today and see how I like that style and see if it can be added to my favorites. So let's get into these lashes. Okay, Kitty, so we're doing a little voiceover, so now let's get into lashes. I'm going to try each lash on, so it's going to be like a little tutorial, also a try on. So that's, you know, that's cool. And for this tutorial, all you're going to need is some lash glue, some tweezers, and of course some scissors. So we're going to start with, we're going to call this our natural everyday pair. So when you want to find it in the description, that's what it would be titled as, the natural everyday pair. Very thin, you can see, super natural. This is my mascara. I would prefer to wear this before I put on mascara, but I'm just going to do a really thin layer on the band. Okay, and we're going to grab the center of the lash. My son was making me laugh. I'm going to grab, what? I grabbed the center of the lash. This is what I focus on when applying lashes. So this is a great tip to, you know, learn how to apply lashes if you don't already know. You're going to focus on putting it and just dropping it down on the center. So whenever you put that glue on the strip, you allow it to get tacky, and this step becomes so much easier. Okay, so I'm just going to place it in the center and then go on the outer edge and connect it. And then we're going to go on the inner edge and just connect it. Now, if the glue is wet, this step is so much harder, but if you allow it to, your glue to get tacky for at least 30 seconds or so, game changer. Okay, game changer. It's going to make the application so much easier. But the lash is on for the most part. Yeah, it's on, but it's a very natural lash. So this is what it looks like with the lash on. This was it before, and this is going to be it after. Of course, I'm going to add it to the other eye so you can get a great feel of how the lashes look on the eyes. But these are my natural lashes. If I didn't have on liner, it would look even more natural. But you know, whenever you do like a liquid line, it makes that lash line look fuller. So the lash itself sort of looks fuller, but it's a lot more natural when you don't have on any eye makeup. And this is, to me, the only pair of lashes that I have that actually look good without makeup at all. Very natural and gorgeous and short. So if you are not a fan of big or dramatic lashes, this is a great natural everyday pair. I love them. They're extremely lightweight, and I think they are a must-have. And of course, they're linked in the description. So natural girlies, I have you covered because I have natural days as well. So now let's peel those off. So damn satisfying. I didn't want them to dry down too much because we have other lashes to go through. So let's peel those off. And these are what I call the intermediate lash. Let's call them intermediate. So it's just enough. It's a middle ground between a natural and a dramatic lash. So I would say it's 2 notches above the natural lash. So it's a little bit darker because it's a little bit fuller, and it's a lot more fuller on the outer edge of the eye. So it gives a great cat eye effect. So it's a great lash for small almond shaped eyes. So if your eyes are similar to mine, it's a good one. So of course we're going to cut off the excess because we measured it up. We don't want that extra piece of lash hanging off, girl, because it's not cute. And we don't like that. And we don't want to look like a chicken head. No, not today. Okay. So it fits really good. You're going to grab the glue, put a thin layer. I'm putting like a really thin layer because I'm just trying them on for you guys. So I would actually put a little bit more if I was going to wear the lashes throughout the day. All right. So now I'm focusing on the center, like I told you. And then we attach the edges and just kind of clamp and squeeze it together. And look how gorgeous these lashes are. It's such a nice middle ground between natural and glamorous. So for some girls, this can be, for me, this can be an everyday lash for sure. I love them, and they're a little bit darker than the natural ones I just showed, a little bit fuller towards the tail end of the eye, so it gives a really nice cat eye effect. And I love these lashes. I wear them a lot of my videos, and I do get questions on them, so that's why I actually did this video today, because people do ask about those lashes, and I love them. So now let's pin the hair back, girl. Peel it off. So satisfying. Peel it off gently, because I don't want to snatch my eyelashes out. Not my real ones, okay? We still need real ones to have the fake ones sit on top, okay? But these are my, like, chef's kiss. These are my girl bestie. She means everything to me. These are my glam lashes, okay? By D Silk. I can't even tell you how many pairs I've brought from this seller, but these are these, baby, look at them. They're fluttery, flirty, and so fluffy, and they completely change my entire face when I put it on. So you'll see the difference. I'm going to put one on, and you'll see how full and voluminous and just luxurious and black. Like, these lashes are everything. The hairs on this lash is very matte, which I like, so it doesn't look shiny and fake. Look at that. I'm just trying them on, but look at my eye. Did you see how it looked when the hair was there? Girl, how can people not like lashes? I absolutely love lashes, but I'm just going to fit it on my eye. And you can see here, it's looking pretty good. Of course, any excess I need to clip, I clip it towards the tail end of the tail end of the lash. Never the inner corner, only on the ends. And then we focus on attaching the center, and then attaching the outer portion, and then the inner portion. So remember those steps. First center, then outer, then inner. Hopefully that helps you, apply your lashes a little better if you have any issues with that. But it's worked for me for years. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and attach that. It just, these lashes are so pretty. Look how full they are. Like, look at that side of my eye. So full. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the other lash, and I'm going to show you how I sometimes customize them and take the bulk out. Like, they're very full on the ends, but sometimes I want it to be a little bit more flirty. So I go in between where the thinner portions of the lash are. So in between, like every other space, I'll just cut upward. So we can just trim out some of that bulk, and then the lash becomes more flirty and it has more spaces in between. So it gives you like that doll baby effect, which you guys will see. But I do this very often, all the time. That's when I want to switch them up. That's why I love these lashes so much, because they're versatile for me. I can just clip. I can customize any lash, but these just look the best, and I can do more because they're fuller and more fluffy. So when I cut away some of the hairs or take some of the bulk out, it's still fluffy, but flirty, if you know what I mean. So you'll see the difference. Let me just take my clips out so you guys can see. But look, I look so cute. This is the fuller side, and that's the more flirty side. So it kind of just depends on your vibe. But these lashes are so pretty, but you can absolutely see the difference in how I got two different pairs of lashes, two different styles with one, one pack of lashes, if you know what I'm saying. So I love these. Like, I look so so good with eyelashes, girl. But we're gonna go ahead and take those off. These are my fave. I'm gonna take them off, and I'm gonna try on some that I just brought. I've never used them before, so we're gonna just try them here on the camera. Let me see how much I like them. These are considered a D curl. A lot of the girls that wear extensions like this type of lash. It curls back a little bit more, and I've never really tried those, so we'll see how they look on my eye. You guys be the judge. Like, I like them on camera, I think, but I was like kind of confused about them in person. I don't know. You guys have to let me know what you think about these, but I don't know if they're going to be on my favorites list yet. But let's check them out, because normally I like how lash extensions look. Although I will never get lash extensions. I prefer strips because they're a lot more hygienic, okay? Like, I don't want makeup, dead skin, and just dirt and grime stuck in my lashes, and that does happen with extensions. I opt for a strip lash because I can remove the lash when I need to, wash my face properly, you know what I mean? But yeah, I just love the convenience of strip lashes, and I like being able to change the style of my lashes, of course. So I'm still working on these new ones that I'm trying here, and just trying to see how they look. They do curl back a little bit further, and I think it's cute. I think it's cute. What do you guys think? I think it's cute. I think I might trim these, like customize them, like go in between each space and kind of trim away the bulk, because I think these would look good if they were a lot more wispy with the type of decurl. So I think I'm going to do that. Mama, you might see it on a different video. So I'm going to work with them and see how they look, but I think they're pretty cute. I'm confused on that. I was looking confused, like, is it cute? Do you guys think I'm cute? But I think they're pretty nice, actually. I would definitely customize them by trimming away some of the hairs and then seeing. But those are all of the lashes, y'all. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about the newbies, the decurl ones, of course. And everything else is linked in the description. So if you have any questions or anything, let me know. I'm still trying to figure things out for myself, girl, with those decurl lashes. But, you know, again, if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. Don't forget to like my video, girl, and come back and watch some more videos. Stop playing with me. Okay, I'm still not at 10,000 subscribers yet, and you can help me get there. So go ahead and do that. Like the video, watch another video, subscribe. Tell your friend, tell your cousin, tell all of them, okay? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, kitties. Bye.
This time